This is Ajike Ade from Wazobia Journal TV. Right now we want to know people's response to this question. Why did the chicken cross the road? Yes, why did the chicken cross the road? Just sit back and enjoy yourself. Happy viewing. So, why did the chicken cross the road? Why did the chicken cross the road?
The chicken will cross road. Wait, no wait for traffic like my sister, I won't die new. If you no wait for red, wey me stop. The yellow, the green wey me go you won't go die you. You go see if you, the chicken wey is sin, they go and fire. If the one wey no sin, they go heaven.
So that's why you think the chicken cross road?
Yeah, so no for road though. No food for road. If the chicken will go eat for road, na straight away dead you.
So Laura, in a nutshell, the chicken cross the road.
Then you, sister, open up you go run. Then.
Thank you very much. So why did the chicken cross the road? So why did the chicken cross the road?
Well, the chicken crossed the road for just two reasons. Maybe to look for his chicks or to look for food to eat, like that.
So the chicken crossed the road to look for what? Alright, thank you very much. So, why did the chicken cross the road?
The chicken crossed the road to go and die. Like what my colleague said the other time. It's an express now. Why would the chicken cross an express? So it's dog. So the chicken crossed to go and die.
Now wicked, just to go and die.
To go and die.
Alright, thank you very much. So, why did the chicken cross the road?
What do I say? Why is chicken cross the road? Maybe in life we all have levels, different levels in life. So maybe the chicken is done with the old level and trying to go to the new level. So I think that's why the question came. Why the chicken cross the road?
Okay, to go to a higher level.
Yeah,
that's what you mean.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. So why did the chicken cross the road?
Well, to me, we all have families. So, to the chicken has family also. Maybe mama send a message, say, go buy something, you understand? Or maybe in they go school. So, in school, they there, in the year, he won't come cross road. So, he can cross, he can enter school now. Wait till me understand that. I don't know why chicken cross road, but chicken, they go school. They won't go buy bread.
So, you want me to understand or believe that the chicken is going to school?
Sure now. Chicken, they know they communicate me. Chicken are lower class animal. We are higher class animal. So same thing goes to them. That's so it be.
Thank you.
Alright.
So, Auntie, why did the chicken cross the road?
On my own opinion, the chicken maybe want to cross the road maybe to go and look for the children or go in search of food. That's what I think.
Okay, to go in search of food.
Yes, or look for the siblings or the children.
Okay. No wala. Thank you very much. Thank you. So why did the chicken cross the road?
Go cross the road today. Chicken cross the road. Hey, why you chicken cross the road? Hey, I don't even understand what you're asking me. Like,
that's why I said no answer is right or wrong. It's just
why did the chicken cross the road? Cross. Belfeloku. I don't know. Abi, what did you think?
I think we are Ori. Okay, maybe I like the chicken cross the road. Maybe it sees what's amazing or anything like that makes it cross the road. You get maybe there is what's it called, like maize. It's seen maize and it was like, wow, this is the food I love most. Okay, let me go get it. You get, so it has to cross the road.
So are you saying from where it is, you can see the base?
It's possible anyway, because when you see something you like, when you see something you like, you have to go for it, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the reason. That's why you feel. That's why you feel. That's the reason you think the chicken. So why did the chicken cross the road?
So on a jumbo. Chicken cross the road because it feels it's a road and chicken should not be on the road. Not to cross to avoid impending probably accident. Any animal can cross the road. It's a road now. It's a major road where cars are passing, not a pedestrian road. If it's a pedestrian road, so the chicken can walk on a pedestrian road. Since it's a major road, it ought to cross because nobody wants to die. Even chickens don't want to die now. Even places are hard. Animals too are also they're also safety conscious.
So that's why you think the chicken could cross the road to avoid that war.
I mean, yes, now everybody shouting change now. Country is hard now, but even at that nobody wants to die.
Okay.
Yes, everybody wants to go to
So the advice to the chicken is that they should always
look left, right, even up. We don't prefer any of
Down.
Look down. It's raining now, so we don't pray for any offending havoc there anyway, but still, chicken not to cross the road to avoid any future accidents.
Okay. Chicken cross the road.
Kind of chicken. Different types of chicken. We have 4 types of chicken.
Any chicken, whether cock or anyone.
Running for its life. Chicken running for its life.
Like
Probably because the one egg is after it, so that's why it's running for its life.
why ain't go to pursue the chicken?
One do normal now.
Normal. Wait till we normal.
One pro. One mekwe. One pro.
I never hear that word though.
No, you know we are from Calabar. Understand? You know from Calabar.
That we know they from Calabar. One no, go. Wait till we do for abi.
Like mekwe. One mekwe.
Wait till we do.
Like normal.
Which of the normal? Oh no, tell us now.
The normal mommy and daddy stuff.
Mommy and daddy. Okay, chicken they do.
So sorry, sir.
Chicken they do mommy and daddy.
Why? You do like you know see chicken chop.
No.